Do you think I'm afraid? I was. The first time. I was afraid of the consequences. The fear. The imprisonment. Knowing what they would do to me in those bars. It was my worst nightmare. But the first time you take a life, you stop caring. You stop caring about all the lives you've ended. The lives you've cut short with the simple swipe of a blade. You stop caring about all the blood that was shed, and then you start caring about your own skin. What caused me to do it? Isolation. The lack of friends, the lack of people to turn to, made me snap. Betrayal and lies. Those stuck-up little girls, they saw him jump. But what did they do? They wanted to blame me because I happened to be there and I didn't stop him. You know why I didn't stop him? It was because he'd lied to me. I just wanted to be left alone. I was getting bullied enough already, but after this, after being accused of stealing that girl's necklace,